I will give you some tips about how to get views on UpScrolled. So UpScrolled is more community and feed driven, not heavily algorithm based. That means consistency and interaction matter more than viral spikes. Post regularly, even simple content, an active profile gets more visibility over time. Keep your content clear and easy to understand. People scroll slower, so simple posts often perform better than over edited ones. Engage with others before and after posting. Likes, comment, and replies help your posts get noticed. Also, optimize your profile. A clear bio and profile photo help people decide to follow you when they see your content. Growth on Upscrolled is usually slower but more stable. Focus on consistency and interaction, and views will come naturally. And that's it. Follow for more Upscroll tips.